right, thanks for the tips.
What is up with you guys here today? Many wishings and blessings upon you. Today in this video, we're gonna be doing something that I've never really done before, ditching my digital camera for this adventure. We are going only with my Nikon FM and Ultramax in here. But let's go ahead and go to the new adventure, which is Denver, Colorado. We're gonna be going to Denver, Colorado with Syed, one of my really, really close best friends from college, and I can't wait to go. So let's go because I'm already late. So sorry, Syed, for missing 2 flights in a row, but we are going to be in Denver soon, and I broke my Sony camera trying to record some footage. And I'll take a couple pictures in the O'Hare airport to kind of show you guys the aesthetic, the vibe of this airport, because I think it's a really unique airport. I want to really capture how awesome O'Hare is. I can't right now because I don't have enough time. The flight's literally in 5 minutes, but I will see you guys in Denver, and here are some photos that I've taken at O'Hare airport.
Sprayer is used to disinfect all surfaces of the aircraft. You can learn more about
Totally ran up on that dude's car like he was Syed. It's totally not Syed.
We're supposed to meet up in fucking Chicago?
I know.
Now this guy, let's just meet up in Colorado.
Dude, look at this, bro.
Right. Dude, look at it. It's fucking unreal, dude. Absolutely gorgeous. First plan, we hit the city right now because it's already like sort of dark, and I want to like maybe be able to see when we're up there. So 5 a.m. in the morning, head up there. It's about a 2.5-hour drive.
Okay.
But it's all in the fucking mountains. Let's go in the morning, like early in the morning.
Early.
Kind of shit, so we can see like the sunrise and be all romantic and shit.
Dude, we're freaking Colorado right now, dude.
It's unreal, bro.
After we head down to Denver, Colorado and check in at our hostel, it's time to take a mandatory bathroom selfie and head downtown. While exploring downtown Denver, we ran into a couple photographers who could definitely help us find somewhere to adventure on tomorrow.
We were from Chicago, so how do you guys like it here?
Oh, I love it. It's awesome.
Are there any spots that you guys recommend?
Down I-70 West,
Okay.
you got that. There's an exit that goes towards Genesee. That is one of the most iconic spots to get to the park.
Really?
I've not been, but
Yeah.
it's something that...
That was your chance. You're gonna lie to us. Like, dude, I went there. It was crazy. That was awesome.
What's the gear like, man? What are you shooting with?
I've got Sony, I've got Canon, Nikon.
We got the whole combination. I got Fuji here, so yeah. So it's alright, guys. We're gonna let you go. I mean, enjoy your
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you.
It was great getting to meet these guys and talk about photography. And of course, we have to share Instagrams. But now, tomorrow's agenda is set and we'll be up at 5 a.m. to conquer it.
Fucking corn nuts. Yeah. This is for when we get a peak, bro.
Mount Evans, we're about 2 hours 15 minutes, and we're gonna see Billy the Goat up there.
Billy the Goat.
Let's get it, boys. He's back there. Yeah.
As everything seemed set for us to conquer this journey, this happens.
sacrifices, I've been balling ever since. We seeing so many.
Dude, that 14 mile would have taken us an hour 17 minutes. Look at this. Look at this track, dude. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm convinced.
Bro, this is what we're missing. Look at this shit. Oh my god, bro. Come on, bro.
Ed's had a question.
Yo, what's up?
So we were trying to go to Mount Evans,
yeah.
and it's closed, and we're from like Chicago. Do you know any place that would be like super cool to go to?
This is pretty cool. You just kind of wait for sunrise and walk as far as you want. But your drive, you know, you've driven about as high as you're going to drive near here. If you keep going this way, you're going to get a few views on this road a little bit, a mile up. You know, I put my skis on and I start hiking up, and in about 40 minutes the sun rises, and I'm just dicking around for a few hours, and I go home and watch the kids. And you're in a good spot, man. Just chill. The sunrise is going to be sweet wherever you are if you stay up here.
All right, for sure. Hey, hope you have a good skiing trip, man.
Yeah, no worries. You guys making a video?
Yeah. a little vlog of
What's
the
your YouTube?
And I'm going to pause this right here. For anyone who runs a business, does photography, videography, this is why you need a business card.
That guy's the coolest.
That's like giving your cards out, bro.
I know, I gotta get a card.
So we begin to cruise, and do more cruising around the mountains of Colorado until the sun begins to rise.
I heard you were looking like the moon, flashing, but your dark part's on the other side of you. Said I can't see.
Get it, boys.
Being that this is one of our first times ever being in Denver, let alone even in Colorado, I've got to tell you, it's one of the most beautiful sceneries I have ever witnessed in my entire life.
Bro! What the fuck? Bro! No, bro. What? That is nuts. That is nuts. Dude, that is straight nuts, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I hope where we're going right now, there's a point where we can stop
And see that.
and just nut, bro. It's crazy, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, Colorado.
What is this beauty over here? This town is unpredictable. There's freaking people, homeless people. There's people fucking skiing, people skateboarding, podcasting, dude. What is up with this town? Can't tell this vibe. Definitely liking it.
And after the sun rises, we begin to drive to different towns, to shooting some simple photos and just enjoying life.
Let me go, I'm not sure if I'm coming home. Let me know, I'm not sure if I'm coming home.
And before you know it, it's time to head back to the windy city of Chicago.
Man told me that he had fun, but I don't think he cared.
Although we didn't spend that long in Denver, it was great to get out of our comfort zones, get to explore a new city, meet different photographers, and capture a lot of memories along the way.
Coloring the darker side with pretty lights and cool.
Can't tell this vibe. Definitely liking it.
Now I'm sure this won't be the last adventure me and Syed go on, but until then, I wish you guys peace, love, and prosperity. On to the next adventure.
Said I was looking like another part.